This is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book on the alto saxophone with line 11, Starlight, Star Bright. And this is another white belt requirement song. So let's go at the beginning and see what we have. We start with our treble clef, then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in every measure. The bottom number is the value of the whole note, even when we don't have a whole note. We can still use that to figure out the value of our other rhythms. So if we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats. Half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats. And those are the notes that are not colored in, but they have the stems. Then half of a half is a quarter, and half of 2 is 1. So our quarter notes get 1 beat each. And those are the notes that are colored in. And hopefully you've noticed this is a lot like our previous line where there are only 2 pitches. We have 4th line D, which is octave key for saxophone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is your 4th line D. And 3rd line B, which is just the first finger. And we go back and forth between those 2 notes. So the first 2 measures are identical to each other. We have a D to a B, then D to a B again. The 3rd measure, we change up the rhythm. We have a half note D, 2 quarter note Bs, and then we reverse that rhythm in the 4th measure, 2 quarter note Ds and a half note B. Measures 5 and 6, just like measure 4. Measure 7, 2 quarter note Ds, 2 quarter note Bs, and then measure 8, we are repeating measure 4, 5, and 6 again. So I want to go through this. It's just going back and forth between those 2 notes. My metronome is set to 80 beats per minute, and I'm going to start each note with a t sound. And I want you to do that too when you play. So you can either play along with me now, or you can watch this video again and play the second time. But here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that is it for line 11, Starlight, Star Bright. Again, we don't have any rests, so we have to be looking ahead and make sure that we're changing on time. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.